Today in my video I'll show you how to prepare a video out of your presentation. Before you attempt to create a video, please make sure that your presentation is final and ready. Once you're ready, open your presentation. For an example, I have got a presentation here. Now I have got a presentation which I have prepared for grade 10 student. If you want to prepare a video with audio explanation of this PowerPoint presentation, what you can do is, from the toolbar here you can see a tab slideshow, this one. Click this slideshow and then press this icon here. Now when you press this icon, your slideshow will start from the beginning, that means from the first slide itself. Now if you are ready to start with recording, press the record icon here, record button here, you can press. So you can see a timer here. Yeah, now you are ready to go. You can start explaining your slides slide by slide. Once you are done with explaining all the slides, press stop and then press escape. And then now you can see there is a small speaker icon here in one corner of each slide. We don't have a speaker icon here from this slide onwards. That means there is no audio explanation for these slides. Now if you want to record again, you can go to this option and select the slide which you want to start. Now this slide number 5, we have audio explanations here. Slide number 6 we don't have. So from slide number 6 onwards I'm going to start recording again. So press this slideshow, select this record slideshow and then select record from current slide. So PowerPoint will start from this slide onwards. If you're ready, press record and then start recording as we did earlier. And again, when we are done with the explanation, just press stop and then escape. You can see the speaker icon at the corner. Now after recording audio for all the slides, press file, save as, and then select your destination. I'm going to save this file in my desktop. Write the name of this video file, save as, type here, select MPEG4 video MP4. Here you can see MPEG4 video and then press save. Right, tutorial here, save. When you press save, you can see your presentation has started creating a video tutorial out of it. That's it, my friends.